Hey there! Some of you may remember our first annual PD Extravaganza held last year in 2021, featuring presentations and workshops on world language instruction, unique sessions on extempore, as well as meetups for world language teachers around the world. This year, we are back with more. Introducing PD Extravaganza 2022. Come join us and take part in 4 unique, multi-part workshops led by leading researchers in second language acquisition and communicative language teaching, presentations by current teachers, program directors, and others in the field, as well as best practices on extempore for assessing and collaborating with the platform. Let's take a look at who will be leading these workshops. First up, Dr. Claudia Fernandez from the University of Illinois, Chicago.
Most importantly, the assessment of the task is in terms of the outcome, right? So I am going to make the bet. Okay, I want to see the bet made. Otherwise, you didn't finish, right? It's important for you to complete the task, right? In order for me to assess, and it's important that it is done.
Second, Dr. Florencia Henshaw from the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign.
And so when we talk to an audience, when we write something for an audience, we adapt how we convey that message to target our audience so that our audience can understand it and engage with it. And so that, to me, is part of authentic language use.
Third, Dr. Joe Barcroft from Washington University in St. Louis.
Thinking about what Nation calls the learning burden when you encounter new vocabulary, what learners have to go through to acquire novel words. We need to allow them to process novel words as input without getting in their way.
Finally, Dr. Susana Perez Castillejo from the University of St. Thomas.
As lower proficiency learners, we need more attention resources. And if we have anxiety interfering with that, that is going to cause a number of things, usually slowing down what we're saying, okay, and breakdowns. So that's part of it. And it can also, it may not be what their students are saying may not be a true reflection of their proficiency. Okay?
All sessions will take place from July 18th to July 22nd, 2022. Information on registration, speaker information, and session descriptions, as well as how to obtain CEUs can be found in the link in the description below. And of course, all presentations and workshops will be recorded and available for rewatching upon their completion. Hope to see you there.